Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Himanshu, and in this video we are going to understand how we may apply goal-seek. This is one of the very important tool, comes under what if analysis, and let's go for it. So initially I'm going to demonstrate it with the help of a very easy practical. Here in this data you may see this is the sales figure, which is 54,000, and the cost is 4,500. The profit is, okay, let me double click. Profit is A13, means this particular cell value, minus B13, means this particular cell value, and which is come up to 49,500. So this is the profit we are getting. Now I want the profit to be 51,100. I'm again repeating, 51,100. So if I want that profit, then by changing, I need to change either sales or cost. If I'm willing to change sales, then definitely I will have to increase the sell in order to reach to the high profit. And if I want to change the cost, then I will have to decrease the cost in order to reach to that profit. However, the beauty of goal-seek is that I will not have to do the function or the equation by myself. Goal-seek will do it for me. However, there are few things that need to be understand, and that has to be in your mind when you are applying a goal-seek. What are those? During the process we will understand. So set your cursor where you want to set the goal. Go to data. Here you will see what if analysis. Click over what if analysis. Click on goal-seek. Now the first parameter is set cell, means the set cell is going to be the cell where you want to set the goal. So which is C13, which is correct. A set cell must contain a formula, that is compulsory. Second thing is to value. Now in this set cell, what is the value that you want? Here you will have to type your goal value. The goal value for me is 51,100. By changing cell, now here you need to give the cell which you want to change, means the cell value which you want to change. By changing that cell, you are going to reach to this particular goal which you have set as a value. So by changing cell, you may give either this one or this particular cell value, because C13 profit is depending upon this two cell. So here let's say I have given this particular cell. Now by changing cell should not contain any formula. Remember this thing. Changing cell should not contain any formula. Set cell must have a formula. So I have given changing cell, this one, and click on OK. So just have a look at this, how the values will change in order to reach to this goal in profit. OK, and you may see the value of sales has been changed in order to reach to the profit of 51,100. Click OK in order to keep these changes. This was a very simple scenario. Now I am making it a bit complicated. Here it's sales. The cost is, you may see in the formula bar, the cost is from B19 and B20, means this particular cell value plus this particular cell value. So this is the cost, and profit is sales minus cost. Now here in profit, I want to set the goal to 49,000. Again I'm going to what if analysis, goal-seek. Set cell is this one, and to value, the value that I am looking for is now 49,000. By changing cell, I've told you that as a changing cell you can't give a cell that contains a formula. So this cell can't be given. If I'm trying to give it, then it will generate an error. So there are three options that I can give. First one is sales, second one is this particular cell value or this particular cell value. So I have given this payroll. So this figure will change, accordingly this figure will change, and it will reach me to the goal which I have set. Okay, and you may see I have reached the goal by changing the cell value of payroll. In the previous video, or the video where we have learned how to generate an EMI calculator, there you have seen that how by applying a PMT function I have got the EMI. After that, by doing some equation, how I have got total repayment amount and total interest amount. One of my friend has asked me that I have applied for the loan of 10 lakh. So this is the 10 lakh, interest rate 12%, year of loan is 10 year, and repayment mode is 12. This means every month we need to make a payment, and the EMI that they are telling me is around 16,500. But here we may see that it's not 16,500, it's 14,347. So immediately I've asked my friend that whether they have considered it as a reducing rate of interest or fixed rate of interest. So according to my friend, they have told him that it's going to be reducing rate of interest, but this is not the case. So again, I'm going to check whether the interest rate they are considering 12 or something more. So how to know this? So here in EMI, we are going to set a goal, and the goal is 16,500. How we are going to do this? What if analysis, goal seek, set cell is B7, and the value that I want is 16,500. By changing which cell value? Interest rate. And I'm going to click on OK. So I have informed my dear friend, that they are not charging 12% rate of interest, they are charging probably 16% rate of interest. Now in the first two situation, like sales and cost, and we have got the profit, that was quite easy. But in this kind of complicated functions, you may find that goal seek is something very very important, and it make things very easy for you. So this is all about goal seek. Give a try, and in the next video we would be learning about scenario manager. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.